how to make your lipstick stay on. So powder your lips first, even a little bit of concealer before that, just so you get a nice dry area. Start with your chosen lip liner. I like to go slightly darker than the lipstick, but not massively. And you really want to work it into the lips. Spend a bit of time, not just a little faint line, but really work it in. This is what's going to keep the lipstick on. And the top lip. Take a bit of time to get the perfect shape and work it into the line and slightly onto the lip as well. I spend a bit of time over this and it means the lipstick just doesn't move once it's on. There we go. And then I'm going to pick the shade I want to wear. This is one from Vive. And this is a very neutral look, so I'm just going to apply the lipstick by dabbing it on to the area that's not got any lip line, which is not that much, and over the lip line as well. Rub together, and then I usually just finish it off by redefining the edges. And pretty much that lipstick will be on me for the day, and it's not going to budge.